Hello everyone, welcome to Edurself. In this video, I want to talk about what is link popularity in off-page SEO. And I want to compare the business Click and Capture Studio with a competitor. Now imagine that Click and Capture Studio and its competitor have done equally well in on-page SEO. Imagine that both the websites have a very good content and they have used proper keywords in the entire website. And both the websites are very fast loading and the designs are very user friendly. Now let's see how the link popularity helps Google decide which website can rank higher. Now as we know, the Google Crawler, it will explore all the websites that are in the web, right? Now imagine that when it visits the Click and Capture Studio and its competitor website, it will look at the backlinks that the website have received. Now I will give you an example. Now first thing, I want to take Click and Capture Studio as an example. Imagine that the Click and Capture Studio website have totally 10 backlinks and these links are from very popular and relevant sources. Imagine that there is a blog, a top wedding blog, top 10 wedding photographers in Hyderabad, and they have mentioned Click and Capture Studio as one of the top wedding photographers in Hyderabad. It is very relevant to the business that we are dealing, right? And also imagine that we got one of the service in Click and Capture Studio related to wedding, and we have been invited to a venue, a wedding venue, and we have performed an awesome work. So what the wedding venue will do? In their website, they will mention the Click and Capture Studio website, maybe as a vendor partner, stating that Click and Capture Studio is one of the good wedding photographers, and if you want to get the services from them, click on this link. Maybe something like that, a backlink from other websites to Click and Capture Studio which is relevant. And maybe imagine that a catering partner's website, they have sent a backlink just because we have provided the photography services at all their events. Now what exactly the Google will think? These links are from trusted and relevant sites, right, in the wedding industry. So the Click and Capture Studio must be an expert in this field, and this is what exactly the Google Crawler will think about the Click and Capture Studio. Now the same thing I want to apply to the competitor website. Imagine the competitor also has 10 backlinks. But whatever the backlinks that they have received, all those backlinks are from random or maybe less trusted sources. Maybe they have logged into a low quality directory where it has thousands of businesses that are listed in the website. Or maybe in the few irrelevant blogs, the backlinks have been mentioned that are not related to photography or maybe weddings. Now when Google looks at the backlinks, what exactly it will think? These links are not from the trusted or the relevant sources. This website may not be as reliable as Click and Capture Studio. Now how exactly the Google will decide which website will rank higher when it comes to Click and Capture Studio as well as its competitors website? So the very first thing is it will check the link relevance. What does it mean? So Google prefers the links from websites which are related to our business, which are related to our field. For example, a links from wedding blogs, or maybe from the venues, or maybe from the photography partners, because we are dealing with the wedding model and product photography, right? And also the second important thing is link quality. Always remember that a single backlink from a popular or high authority website, maybe a famous wedding blog, it is more valuable than 10 links from a random or low quality sites. So always remember the quality is very much important. And finally, link quantity. Even the quality matters more. We should have more relevant and high quality backlinks so that it will also boost the link popularity. Now since when we compare Click and Capture Studio with its competitor website, the Click and Capture Studio has better quality and relevance in backlinks, so Google will rank our website higher than our competitor. I hope you clearly understand what do I mean by link popularity in off-page SEO, and if you have any questions related to this particular topic, I want you to leave your comments right below this video. I will read each and every one of your comments and I will answer back to you. And also if you are new to my channel and if you want to learn digital marketing from the very basics, I want you to navigate to Edurself YouTube channel and find the playlist Digital Marketing where I have did 100 plus videos, and it will be very short and simple where I have covered each and every topic related to digital marketing. And I'll see you in the next video shortly. Thank you so much.